Friends, India manages the fourth largest national railway system in the world by size, with a total route length of almost 70,000 kilometers and caters to both passenger and freight transportation and across the country. It operates a large number of passenger trains, including long distance, suburban, local trains, facilitating travel for millions of people daily. Additionally, it handles significant freight traffic, transporting goods across the country. In as much as acknowledging the vastness of operations, one cannot condone loss of life on the tracks. There have been a few of them in recent times, though most of them appear to be sabotages. Let's understand this a little more this Saturday. A collision involving 3 trains occurred a couple of years back, which claimed at least 280 lives and left over 1,000 injured in most distressing manner, especially when technology is available easily for such eventualities. Prudence demands that the reasons for the breach be understood and gaps be bridged as soon as possible. It's not as if only India is privy to such accidents. It has happened across the world in the past. In 2013, a high-speed train traveling from Madrid to Ferrol derailed on a curve in Santiago in Spain. The excessive speed at which the train entered the curve led to the derailment, killing 79 people and injuring many others in that accident. In May last year in US, a Norfolk Southern train derailed with 20 cars, leaving the tracks in Mad River Township, Ohio. And in Berlin last year, a train crashed into a bus at a railroad crossing, derailed, injuring the train driver and 2 other passengers. In February this year, in Greece, outside Larissa, a Hellenic passenger train collided head-on with a freight train, killing at least 57 people and injuring over 85 people. Though it is important to note that all rail network is continuously evolving and undergoing expansion and improvements to meet the growing demands of passengers and freight transport, never has there been such a ferocious accident, nor has there been so many casualties. Be it the Bihar train derailment in 1981 or the West Bengal train disaster in 1999, when in both more than 250 people died, the accidents were less severe. There are a host of reasons for rail accidents. Human errors, where train operators or signalmen make mistakes due to negligence, improper adherence to safety protocols, track defects, broken rails, track mismanagement, loose fastenings, inadequate inspection and maintenance, mechanical failures, problems with locomotives, braking systems, coupling failures, errors in signaling, and communication systems were all seen in the past. But in the recent past, we have seen sabotages too. Cylinders left on the tracks, rods left on the rails, sandbags left on the tracks. These are all absolutely pathetic. Adverse weather conditions like heavy rain, snow, fog, or extreme heat that impacts tracks, signaling systems also cause accidents. Even sabotage, which I said in the beginning, tampering with tracks, signals, or train equipment, as is being suspected in the recent train accidents are all valid reasons. As if this was not enough, we even see in many trains in the north with passengers traveling atop the trains, compromising stability, leaving passengers at a greater risk of injury, not to speak of the tragedy that will be left if the people on the train fall off or struck by power lines. Whatever that be, it does question our preparedness for the development of high-speed rail corridor. Several Vande Bharat trains running at 160 kilometers per hour have been launched in the recent past. Extremely good opportunity for the people to travel from one place to another in comfort and in time. Even a bullet train is planned and is in various levels of implementation, and it's under construction. High-speed train networks need modernization and upgrades to enhance safety, speed, and passenger amenities. New technologies, improvements in signaling and communication systems, electrification of tracks, and the addition of more efficient locomotives and the rolling stock are all needed. Safety is critical to rail network. Measures such as regular track inspections, maintenance, installation of advanced signaling systems, and training programs for staff must be implemented to ensure safe operations. Level crossing safety, emergency preparedness, responses, and passenger awareness campaigns are of utmost importance. Our rail authorities and the government continually work to address these factors through improved safety regulations, training programs, infrastructure upgrades, and regular maintenance, not to speak of the technological advancements, and so on. Accidents happening in spite is a disgrace. What more can be done? Utilizing technological advancements such as positive train control systems, automatic braking systems, and collision avoidance systems, Kavach, to enhance safety are a must. These technologies help monitor train movements, detect potential hazards, and take corrective actions to prevent such accidents. Installing and maintaining advanced signaling systems to ensure safe train operations that indicate track occupancy and overspeeding must be ensured. Providing comprehensive training programs for train operators, signalmen, maintenance crews that include safety protocols and emergency responses is an absolute must. Even as public awareness and education is important, complacency has no place in rail safety control. Even as all that may be true, sabotages cannot be accepted in any civilized society and must be dealt with ruthlessness. Friends, that brings me to a close this Saturday of this episode. We'll meet next Saturday again at the same time on the same channel for another episode which I believe you will find interesting. Until then, thank you, dhanyawad and namaskar.